So, what is going on, guys? This, as always, is Trap Daddy Satan, and today I have a special video for you guys. This is part of the random category, and I'm sorry if I'm sideways, like, instead of being over here, I'm over here today. It's because there's a lot of stuff in my chair, and I really don't want to move it because I'm lazy. So basically, we're just going to take this spoon out, right? And then we're going to take this bowl, right? Focus. Good boy. So now we're going to take toothpaste, right? It's already opened, as you can see, but I'm going to take a little bit. I'm just going to put it in the bottom. I'm not going to, like, do it a lot. I'm just going to coat the bottom. So basically, we're just wanting to maybe not coat the bottom, but, like, get enough in here. Oh my gosh. God, I feel like Hulk Hogan. This stuff is like, jeez. Whew. So we're just going to squeeze the rest of this out. Right? Oh, there we go. Yeah. I'm struggling. So if I'm making weird noises, just try to ignore it. Yeah, okay. The toothpaste is almost gone, but oh well. There's still a little bit left in there. About up here. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to stir it. Right? We're going to stir it. We're just going to keep stirring it. Okay? Now, I'm going to go put this in the microwave for a minute. I'll be back. And so, basically, after you get it, you basically just stir it a little more. I'm going to add a little bit water just to get it a little bit slippery. So let's just get our water. Just gonna add a teeny tiny bit. So about that. Just to get it slippery. So and to get a lot of it up. So then basically after we have the water in it, we just want to pry it up out of here. There's our slime. And try and get a little bit of it out of here. Okay, so there's the water. So I'm just going to put this in my hand. Maybe. Aw, I dropped it. Aw, I dropped it. What the heck? Stop. Stop. No. No. Ooh, that actually felt like slime. Well, no dip. It is slime. So let's just put this in our hand. Oh. Oh, that's weird. That is a weird consistency. So I'm just gonna knead this for a second, like how I'm doing it. So just tossing it back and forth with my hand, trying to get it to turn to slime, basically. So just gonna keep kneading it. Maybe. Okay, so it is turning to slime. So as I do this, I'm kind of afraid to touch my phone because that's what I'm recording with. So, basically it is slime, as you can see. Like, it is slime, yes. It's awesome, too. But, okay, yeah. Basically, this is what it'll do. Unless you had some, like, lotion or something, then basically, if you had, like, lotion or something that was, like, slick, you know, or to make it more, you know, slippery, then yes, it won't be like this and really sticky, but it would, like, it'd still be pretty good. Okay, so I'm gonna do this with the slime in my hands. So if you guys like this video, well, I mean, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a comment down below and like the video and subscribe.